The vaccine process gets underway in Colorado and throughout the country. There are many questions surrounding when and how you can receive the vaccine. News5's Allison Zimmerman diving into where we are in the process and how to know when it's your turn.
There's been so much loss: health, jobs, social, emotional. And that's why it's critical to end this pandemic as quickly as possible. The vaccine is the key to doing that.
For many, it's the light at the end of the tunnel when it comes to tackling the COVID-19 pandemic. And while vaccine distribution is underway, it has received some criticism in the process. Here are the phases of the distribution. There are 4 phases right now, with phase 1A underway. Last week, Governor Polis said phase 1B could begin, but not all counties have the amount of supplies needed. Phase 1A includes healthcare workers who work directly with COVID-19 patients and long-term care facility workers and residents. Phase 1B involves Coloradans over the age of 70, moderate-risk healthcare workers, and first responders. Counties in Colorado are trying to figure out when they'll begin that distribution process for the 70-plus community. For example, in Fremont County, they're asking residents that are 70 years and older to join a wait list. Pueblo County says distribution is still underway for first responders and other healthcare workers. Of course, once those are done, then they'll be able to start the vaccine process for those 70 and older.
Coloradans age 70 and up represent 78% of deaths and more than a third of hospitalizations to date.
And this week, we now have a clearer picture of what vaccine distribution looks like in Colorado with the release of the state's data dashboard. As of this afternoon, more than 120,000 first doses had been administered to Coloradans. We expect to get a more precise picture of the type of vaccines administered in the coming weeks. Of the data reported so far, we know a majority of those who have received the vaccine have received the Pfizer version. Vaccine distribution looks like this for the remaining phases. Phase 2 includes Coloradans who are age 60 to 69 and those who are 16 to 59 but are immunocompromised or may have other underlying health conditions. Phase 3, which includes the general public, is expected to have the vaccine available to them in the summer. Always watching out for you, Southern Colorado. Allison Zimmerman, News 5.